Hi, I'm Maddie, and today I'm going to show you how to do a quick order entry form. So first you're going to log in. As you can see, I'm already logged in. You can see my account up on the right-hand corner. And if you don't know how to do that, go to another video that I have on this page to show you how to log in or register for an online account. So you're going to go to the home page button. It'll take you to Welcome to Wesco Turf's page. This is where you can order parts, your parts reference, what's new, irrigation help, featured products, and stuff like that. So first we're going to click on quick order entry. From here, you're going to put in a reference number. And then you're going to put in your quantity. Let's say I need 5. I'm going to update my cart. Let that load, and it actually takes you right to your cart where I can see what I have, what I put in the order, and then you can go down to the bottom and press checkout. And that's it.